How to change the scale on an Excel graph. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply open Excel, then select Scale. Double click on it and you'll find Format Chart pop up. In here, click on Axis Options and then click on Chart option. In here, you will find maximum and minimum. Minimum should be from 0 and you can change maximum to whichever number you want and then press on enter. As you can see, I have added 250 and top maximum number is 250 and it is changed in that way. This is how to change the scale on an Excel graph. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time, thank you for watching.